Hello friends, today we are going to study class 8 the mathematics uh, chapter number 8 algebraic expressions. So today's topic is multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. So here monomial, what's monomial? Monomial is an algebraic expression which have only one term, one term. And by a polynomial means an algebraic expression which have more than one term, more than one term. So expressions that contain two terms, that's called the binomial. An expression containing three terms, expression which have three terms, that's called the trinomial, and so on. In general, an expression containing in general we can say that an expression contain one or more term, one or more than one term is called polynomial. So in general we can say that the expression which have one or more terms with non-zero coefficient, with variable having non-negative integers, with non-zero coefficient and with variable having non-negative integers are called as exponents. Non-negative integers as exponents is called polynomial. So we will multiply monomial with a polynomial. So for example, multiplying a monomial by a binomial. So multiplying a monomial by a binomial. Here we will take expression which have only one term, and on another side we have expression which have two terms. For example, here let's multiply the monomial. 3x is a monomial, it's only one term, and binomial is 5y plus 5 because this has 1 and 2 terms. So we will multiply them. 3x into 5y plus 2. Here it is. What is the answer? For example, here 3x is multiplied to both first term and second term of the binomial. So 3x is multiplied with 5y plus, then 3x is multiplied to 2. 3x is multiplied to 2, for example, which is multiply these coefficients first, 3 and 5, 3 into 5, and then x and y is xy plus 3 and 2, 3 into 2, then x into 1, x, which is 3 into 5, 15xy plus 3 to the 6x. This is the answer for this question. Okay, now we can take various examples to write. Here it has written that if in this way, for example, if we write this distributive law for our calculation, for example, this is a bracket. So in distributive law, this first term is multiplied with 100 both. We can multiply this both 100 and 6. So it has multiplied first 100 with 7 with 6. So we write the answer. It's a distributive law. We distribute this first term with both which are in a bracket. Okay. Now we can write here multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. Now here is expression, for example, here is 3x, it's a monomial. Now trinomial is 2x plus 3y plus 5, for example. These are three terms, so it's a trinomial. So we can multiply these two. I will write it in bracket because these are three terms. 3x is multiplied to both 2x, 3y and 5. So we can write it, for example, 3x is multiplied with 2x plus this plus, here 3x is multiplied with 3y, then 3x is multiplied with 5. Okay, now here we write 3, these two coefficients will be multiplied, 3 into 2 with 6, x into x is x square plus 3 into 3 is 9, then x into y is xy plus 3 into 5 is 15x. Okay, this is the answer for this. And we can write various examples for that. Here, by using distributive law, we are able to carry out the multiplication term by term. Here it has said that this is, yani this 3 is common to both. So both of them. So we can multiply it individually. For example, first 3 is multiplied with first term of the trinomial, then 3x is multiplied with second term of the trinomial, which I had written here, then 3x is multiplied with last term of the trinomial, then we find the answer. So here are examples which you can write by your own way. So we will in next lecture we will study about exercise 8.3. Thanks. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel so that I can upload more and more videos.